Euro USD is Euro USD is very dependent on what the US dollar does right now. Very. So Euro USD looks like it wants to dump. It definitely looks like it wants to dump. It looks like it wants to go down further. Why do I say that? Because we got resistance here. So this, everything you see here is a resistance zone. Boom. Why is that? We got the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement from this swing. We're testing it underneath, and we're testing the 50% Fibonacci retracement from the bigger previous swing. And both times that price came up and wanted to break through and get back above these two levels to put them as support, what has happened is the price hasn't managed to break above. So what has happened is, you see these wicks here. These wicks are signs of weakness. Weak wicks. Basically, buyers were trying to push up, but they didn't manage. So resistance holds well, and I actually see a possible sell scenario here. Maybe to come back down and test this orange line here. That orange line is a major trend line that we have had for a while. Alright, so let's zoom in a little bit. So you see how price is testing this resistance. It's testing it here even with a wick just. So basically it broke through, came up, retested it. So it did a perfect retest. So this was actually already a sell situation here. Very nice sell actually. So I would argue that we are in a nice sell right now. And maybe we should enter it. Let us see. Alright, so our entry will be here. Why is that? Because of this here. You see that, let me pull the line like this. So you see that we got support, trying to break through above again. So I want to see this break here. I want to see this white line break for us to enter a sell here. Right now, what the market is doing, it's ranging between this support here and this resistance. So it's just ranging here in between. In other words, a no trade zone. This is the no trade zone here. So we want to see it break below, hold that, and we're going in for a sell. Yeah, so now we get the 20-day EMA on the 50-minute time frame. Let's see if market bounce off this 20-day EMA, that's a sign of a lot of weakness for the buyers. And if that happens and we break below this line, then we're going in for a sell. That shows that the market really wants to sell off, and that the buyers have no control in the situation. They have no power. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set an alarm. The entry would be in that case in at 1.057. Yeah, 1.057. Sorry, 1.0757. Man, I'm confusing myself with these numbers. 1.0757 will be the entry. Yeah, we're moving down. All right, I'm gonna set an alarm here. All right. Maybe we don't need to because it's already getting very close to the entry zone. Yeah, market is getting there. Let's just check gold quick while we're doing that. Gold ain't doing much. All right, so we broke the zone. What we want to do now is this. We want to see this hold. So be patient here. Don't rush into the markets. Be patient. We got 12 minutes until this candle closes. This is a new candle. We got 12 minutes until it closes. We want to see it close underneath here, all right? When the next candle comes, we want to see that it's not pushing up directly back above again, like here, coming back up again. So let's watch this candle close underneath. Let's see that hourly candle close underneath, and then we're good to go. So about, all in all, I would say about 27 minutes until we have a situation where we can enter this market. And don't get stressed when you see the market start to push down or something, because it will chop around. It will play a little bit. It will play a little bit. So it can push down and then boop, go straight back up again. We want to have our entry here. If it runs away from us, we look for a new trade. There's always new trades. Remember that. Don't get married to one trade. Don't get stuck with one trade. That's Euro USD. Gold is nothing is happening. Euro USD,